Oh, there it is. So they actually updated it to add a code lock to the toilets. And yet it's actually really hard to understand what it is. So I can understand why it's actually not talked about quite often. Interesting. So the ladies has the same thing. I think someone came in. Wait. I'm just checking if a girl entered. I'm hoping it's not my friend Chantel or Emma, because I gotta be quick if I come I'm dead. I'm gonna check if I hear yes or no. Just give me a minute. I'm here. I think they must have waited for me. That's actually really good. What did I do?